Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Catherine Bellaire, and today I want to share with you a recipe that I used for many years to kill bacteria. And this is just one of the recipes I did. I have many other recipes. You can look in the description below. I have my slow cooker right here with water in it, and I have sage right here in this bowl. Sage, and I have garlic, fresh garlic, and fresh onions. So what I do, I have a small slow cooker pot here, and I put the sage in it and some garlic and onions. And these same three items is also used as pesticide to put in the garden. And it doesn't matter how much you put in the slow cooker. It's not the importance. You can use just sage and water if you like, or just onions and water, or just garlic and water. It will work anyways. It will all kill the bacteria in the air. And what I do, I put that in my slow cooking pot, and I let it simmer. And I put that at nighttime too, and I put it on the lowest, and I make sure there's plenty of water in it. And I don't put the cover I don't put it on, because I let like kind of the steam from this solution to go in the air, and it helps to kill bacteria in the air. So this is something that I want to share with you. I've done this for many years when the people around me at work or my neighbors had the cold and the flu, and it kept me healthy. You can also do that with fresh lemons and lime. It does the same thing. It also used as pesticide in the garden. So that's it for today, and I just want to let you know there is nothing to fear, only understood. So I know lots of people are afraid right now. Don't be afraid. Just remember this: disease of any kind do not live in a alkaline body. And all these things that I put in the slow cooker, you can cook with that food or make teas out of it, and it will alkaline your body. Thank you for watching, and wishing everyone bright blessings.